Hey guys, got a dirt bike. 1982 Suzuki dr-125. Guess how much I got it for, guys? Free. There's not much it needs to get running. Needs an oil filter and needs a gasket, flywheel gasket, foot peg, rocker cover gasket, tube for the front tire, needs new kill switch because that's fucked pretty much. Needs a new light on it too. And guess what, guys? 800 kilometers on it. That's all that's on it. The reason that all the gaskets are gone because the guy never took care of the fucking thing. And I just redid the seat. Well, I didn't, but I found the guy who did it, so I did it. But yeah, that's my Suzuki dr-125. Got a manual with it and everything. Say the top speed on this thing's 120 kilometers an hour, or 70 miles an hour. So, pretty sweet. Full floater suspension. Monoshock. Forks are still good. Plastics. It's got a custom plastic on it. This was just a kit. You can cut it off as short as you want, so got it pretty short there. Spraying mud at my buddies. And yeah, that's my Suzuki dr-125. Thanks, guys.